Need a logo for your business? Let me show you how GoDaddy Airo can help with the power of AI. Let's check it out. From your dashboard, look for branded logo in the Airo section and select See Logos. There are a few AI-generated logos based on your business name to choose from. Select See More Options to see another set of logos. When you find the one you like, select it and use the logo as is or choose to customize. If you don't love any of these options, I'll show you how to use the AI assistant later, which uses prompts to create a logo. Choose the logo that you like and then select Customize to open GoDaddy Studio. This is where you can edit the logo. There is a set of curated color palettes to choose from. This set is nice. I like to see more options for the icon. Let's delete this one and select Element from the list. Choose Icon and search for the preferred keyword. I'm going to drag and drop the new icon into my work area. Let's make it bigger and center it up. We need to match the colors of the text and icon. Select color from the menu. The palette color set appears on the top, so the matching color is easy to find. I can either match the original color or choose a new color from the palette. Perfect. Select Continue to finish up. The new logo is now integrated into my profile. I'm going to show you another way to generate a logo using the AI virtual assistant. Select See Logos again. Now select Begin Conversation. This brings up an AI chatbot that will walk me through the prompts to create a new logo. Go ahead and answer the questions the best you can, starting with telling the assistant about your business. Now choose a style of logo and a color palette. There we go. I'd like to see another version based on my prompts. Select Create another version of this logo. Oh yeah, I like this one much better. You can keep generating logos based on this set of prompts or start over from the beginning. Once you're happy with the result, you can download your logo. That's it. By using GoDaddy Airo and the power of AI, you can make a logo for your business in just a few steps. Now, go make one for yourself.